Guys, it's time to do a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy J6 2018 and of course on the another hand Samsung Galaxy C7 Pro in this navy blue color, and of course it is having a lavender color. And in this video I am doing the speed test between the Samsung Galaxy J6 up against the Samsung Galaxy C7 Pro. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Logo came first on the J6, Android 8.0 Oreo on the J6 and Android 7. Nougat on the C7 Pro, and you can see notification LED is here on the C7 Pro, but the J6 is not comes with LED notification. And Exynos 7870 and Snapdragon 626 processor, and you can see C7 Pro is faster and J6 is right behind. And you can see everything is closed up in the background. 4GB RAM on the C7 Pro versus 3GB RAM on this J6. So let's start some basic application. Phone dialer, here we go. And you can see C7 Pro is a bit faster because it has a fast animation. Moving towards some another application like the settings, here we go. And you can see tiny bit faster on the C7 Pro. So let's launching a calculator on both phones, here we go. And you can see that was about the same on both phones. So let's launching a games application, show you the real internals, the performance, here we go. And launching at the same time, and it is an infinity display, 18:5:9 aspect ratio, and it is a 16:5:9 aspect ratio. And let's see Exynos 7870, and you can see Snapdragon 626 is faster and J6 is also right behind. So let's launching another application like the Candy Crush, here we go. And you can see C7 Pro is again faster. So let's launching a Temple Run 2, here we go. And you can see C7 Pro is also faster than the J6. And you can see about 4-second difference. So last opening up the application called as the camera, here we go. And you can see J6 this time is faster. So let's launching the internet, Samsung internet browser on both phones. Launching a website called as wikipedia.org, here we go. And let's see who is faster. And the C7 Pro, not C7 Pro, J6 is faster and C7 Pro is right behind. And you can see scrolling is very smooth on both phones. Launching another website called as www.apple.com, here we go. And it is a big website to show you this true internet browsing speed. And C7 Pro is open the website first, and it is also faster. Show me the full iPhone 10 look, and you can see it is faster, it is done. And J6 is also done. And you can see scrolling is absolutely smooth on both phones. Same thing with zooming in and out. So let's see the RAM management on both phones. 4GB RAM on the C7 Pro versus the 3GB RAM, and you can see no refresh on both phones. Launching a settings, and settings is refresh on the J6. Launching a calculator, and again refresh on the J6 for some reasons. And Subway Surfer, and Subway Surfers is refresh on the J6. 3 refresh on the J6. Candy Crush, and it is also refresh. So launching a Temple Run 2. And what the hell, J6 is all the refresh, all the applications is refresh. So let's back to the Samsung internet browser, and it is still there. So overall I have to say J6 is not a bad phone, and it is right behind to the C7 Pro. And let me know in the comment section below, and you guys are the judge of the speed test. I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.